What are you doing in here? Hey? Out. Go on. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back again. So as you can see, it's quite empty in here now except for these and the peppers over here. But I've repotted all my tomato plants into these 7.5 litre pots, or 5 litre pots even. And a couple of the cucumbers. And just making it, because I know I'm not going to be here, I'm trying to make it as easy as I can for Lloyd to come and water everything. So all he's got to do now is come and flood this every couple of days, and same with this tray, just flood that every couple of days. Got the elephant garlic in here drying up, and the shallots that we picked from small polytunnel. Not very big, but they'll be perfect for pickling, which is what I want them for. So that's all good. I've cleared up some space to plant the rest of the tomato plants in there. So at least all of that's done before we go. And by the time you're watching this, I'm probably halfway through my holiday. Probably relaxing on the beach somewhere. But I'll find out about that in the next video, so keep an eye out for that. But the only other thing that I want to do is give everything a good feed. And been out today and managed to get myself some Growmore fertilizer, liquid fertilizer. It provides all essential nutrients, and with this you feed every 14 days. So this should, a good feed of this now should cover until we get back. So just had a quick read on the back. It says the inner cap is 15ml and you mix 15ml to 4.5 litres of water. I've got this watering can here. This is a 5 litre watering can. So I filled it to about here, which is approximately 4.5 litres. Just make sure you can see me there. So all I'm going to do is add a capful liquid shake first. By the way, this was 1 litre for £3.49 in one of my local garden centres, which is quite cheap really. Yeah, one of these capfuls is 15ml. You can just see it on there. It's got 15ml and a little line, so we know where we're filling it up to. And one of these to each watering can full. Give that a good stir. And I'll just go around and water all the plants with this now, one by one. Just give them a good soaking. And then is what I'll do is just before I go, I'll just flood this whole side, and it should be good. Good 2 to 3 days. And if you haven't already guys, please do consider subscribing. It is absolutely free and helps out the channel. We're slowly creeping up to 1,000 subscribers now. We're just shy of 900. So finally getting somewhere. And if you could help me out by sharing the content, that'd be very much appreciated. so I'll get the rest of these done, get the peppers on this side done, and get back to you after that. Right, so that's the last of them done. I'll go and do a few of the bits in the garden with it, and that should be alright like that. The only other thing I want to do is stick up a couple of these sticky fly traps, just replace the old ones, and that should be it. Doesn't seem to be anything to hang these up with. By the looks of things, they just go like that. So I'll get a couple of them stuck up. Stick that over there. Right, so I'll get a couple of them set up. Not that there's much insects in here at the moment, but you never know. Right guys, so that's it for this one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop me a comment below. Do my best to get back to every one of you, and I'll probably see you now when I get back off my holiday. Bye for now.